Hey guys, it's Maymay. Is your Cricut still in the box? Or have you opened it, tried to use it, got frustrated, and put it back on the shelf? Let me help you. I teach a class called Cricut Boot Camp, and I normally or typically do this class in a 3-day live stream setting on YouTube. And I know that's a lot for people to commit to. So what I have done is I have filmed this class in one video setting that you can purchase and have to use from here on out. The way the video works is I go through Design Space start to finish. Truth of the matter is, a Cricut machine is only as good as your knowledge of Design Space, and that's what I hope to help you with, because the more you know about Design Space, the more you know how to use your machine, the more confidence you will feel going forward. Now, what I did in this video was I tried to teach it in such a way that I would use it. So here's what I mean. I'm the kind of person who will watch these classes and really think I've learned a whole lot, and then when I get into the meat and potatoes of the project, I forget things, and I want to be able to go back and reference what I was learning, and that's what we've done. We filmed the video, but in the description of that video, we have made timestamps and chapters for you, so you can literally go back and refresh based on the topic of what you're working on. So say, for example, you can't remember how to do text, no problem. Open your video, open the description, and click on the number next to text, and it'll take you just to that spot in the video where I'm teaching you that. And as a bonus, I created a companion guide. It's a printable PDF that you can use to go alongside the video for note-taking or highlighting or just making notes for you to remember this is an important place for you later. You can have that on paper on your desk when you need it. And as a boot camp student, you also receive email access to me and my team. So if you get hung up on something and you need us to try to help you with it, we're happy to do that for you at any time. Boot Camp is available on maymayevents.com. You can purchase it now, have it in your email almost instantly, and start watching Boot Camp at your leisure. I hope that this becomes the resource you've been looking for. I hope it is the one that makes Cricut make so much sense to you, and you get so much use out of those machines that we spend so much money on. Right? All right, you guys, I cannot wait to hear your feedback on Cricut Boot Camp, and I hope you have a wonderful time learning your Cricut Design Space inside and out.